Carly. Nicole. Samantha.
Lila. Arden.
We are the juniors of Troop 341, and we are going to show you how to build a campfire!
Make sure you tie your hair back and remove any loose clothing, hanging strings, or anything that could hang into the fire.
Only use designated fire pits to build your fire.
Remember to gather all of the supplies needed before you start your fire.
Shovel in a bucket of water.
You will also need tinder, kindling, and long matches or a long lighter.
Make sure you have enough fuel to keep your fire going as long as you need.
Now that you know how to be safe, let's light this fire.
Using a lighter, light the tinder on the fire. As the fire catches and gets bigger, you can add more tinder to the fire until the flame is bigger.
Our troops like to sit around at night to talk or make s'mores. Never play with or near a fire.
Now you know how to build a fire, but you also need to know how to safely put it out.
First, let the fire die down until all the coals are small.
Grab the bucket of water and using your hand, slowly sprinkle the water on the fire.
Little by little. Now with the shovel, stir the coals in water. Never dump all the water at once. Dumping the whole bucket of water on the fire could cause embers to fly and hot steam to go into your face, and that is dangerous.
Continue adding water and mixing until the coals are out and you are able to put your hand on for 60 seconds.
When you are able to do this, you have successfully put out your campfire.
Thank you for watching our video about how to build a campfire. I hope this information helps you on your next camping trip.
For more tips on simple camping from the Girl Scout, check out our other videos like how to set up a tent and more.
See you next time and happy camping!
Say bueno!